Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. I have here the shredder. Most of you know that before we end the videos for this month, January 2021. So all you have to do is be a subscriber and comment on the video, okay? So now I'm gonna teach you how to do sweet sour pork. And so what I'm doing is I have 2 pounds of pork here. I'm going to put some ingredients into the pork as like a quick marinade. So I have 1 tablespoon of 5 spice, Chinese 5 spice, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and the 5 spice will put a link in it, so if you can't get it in the store, because a lot of times it's hard to find, I'll teach you how to make it. So this is 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/4 cup of wine, cooking wine. You can use Chinese or any other kind of wine. And then 1/4 cup flour. So I'm just gonna mix this all up. And while it's mixing, I'll put in some oil, maybe about 2 tablespoons of oil or so. And this is my favorite frying pan because it truly doesn't stick. You can fry an egg or put cheese in it and it won't burn. So mix this all up. They usually deep fry this, but I don't want to deep fry. We'll just cook it and brown it till it's done. But this will give the meat a good taste, okay? So we're gonna fry it until it's well done. And then after that, we're gonna make a sauce, sweet sour sauce. And we'll come to that after. Okay, now let's see, we can put it, the frying pan is hot, of course, and then put some oil in it. Let's see how we can do this. And usually, you know, you don't use a metal pan for non-stick, a metal spoon for a non-stick pan. And now you just brown the meat. I think I can put it all in. And unlike other non-stick skillets, you cannot use metal, but this one you can. It's really good. Okay, it took about 10 minutes, maybe 8 to 10 minutes for it to fully cook and kind of brown. So I'm gonna put it in another bowl right now, because now we're gonna saute the vegetables. So I'm going to heat it up again, and I'm going to put a little oil, maybe another tablespoon or so. Okay. Saute the onions, 1 onion sliced up. I sauteed this for 5 to 7 minutes until it's translucent and halfway cooked. Now I'm adding about half a green and half a red bell pepper, and I'm gonna saute this too until it's cooked. Maybe this one won't take as long. Okay, I cooked the peppers just about 5 minutes. You don't want it soggy, you still want it crispy. Now I'm gonna mix up the sauce. So it's 1 teaspoon of bouillon powder, half cup vinegar, and half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 1 cup of water. Mix it all up. Now I have here some water, 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So I'm going to mix this up. And actually now I'm going to pour the sauce mixture over the vegetables. And then cook it a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to add the cornstarch mixture to thicken it a little bit. See how colorful this is too. You know, you always look for color when you cook. It's really nice. Okay, now I'm adding the pork. And you mix this all up. And this will thicken up nicely. So you see, this only took, again, less than half hour to cook. So this is another fast meal that you can do, especially when people are working or they have busy schedules. They don't have time to make a lot of stuff. And then I think I'll add a little soy sauce, maybe about a tablespoon to start with, to give it some color. There you go, much better. Okay, it's basically done now. So very quick and easy. And as it sits, it'll thicken up a little bit more. So you can add some water. Okay, now let's see how it tastes. Now for the best part, the tasting. So take a little bit of each thing and I'll try it. The meat is nice and tender. It's sweet sour, and the sauce is just right. Like I said, as it sits, the sauce might thicken. So you can add some water. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and comment. And if you haven't subscribed, do so, because you still have a chance to win a shredder. So comment on the video, and also if you have any suggestions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Mahalo.